Okay, now let's go through the practice exercises. I'll take you through this a bit more slowly, I think. I hope you've had time to read everything. Right, the past of these ones, it's the spelling, isn't it? Yeah, studied, listened, didn't, and so on. Okay, be careful with your spellings on these ones. What's the past of we watch? The past of we watch is we watched. Okay, not watch it. Watched. This one, studied. How do you spell it? IT. I studied English at school. Do you listen to the news? That's a good question. And of course, if we ask yesterday, then it's, did you listen to the news? He doesn't cook. Well, if he doesn't cook, maybe that's never. So that means he didn't cook last night. Yep. Okay. Does she play sport? Question. Same as do you? Does she? But in the past, did you? And yep, did she? Work. This is positive. We need ed on the end. They worked. Yeah, please don't mix up work and walk. I know it looks like it's the wrong way around with the spelling, but walk is W-A-L-K. It's still a regular verb. That means you won't find it in the table at the back of the book, and it's not on the list that I gave you to learn, okay? These ones, she traveled a lot in 2018. She probably did. She didn't travel a lot last year, I'll tell you. Now, double L in British English. In American English, it's different, okay? But in British English, we've got an E, a single consonant. So therefore, if we've got a vowel in a single consonant, we need to double the consonant. Remember that spelling rule? Probably not. Well, here's some more practice, okay? Now, this one works in New York. It's exactly the same as this one, isn't it? Yeah, Jack worked. Okay. Call. I called my parents yesterday. We don't live in France, and we didn't live in France 10 years ago. Very good. Who knew? And Anna asks a lot of questions. So at the meeting, Anna asked. Yeah, that's a difficult one, isn't it? Consonant cluster. Asked. Okay. You'll hear a lot of people say asked. And they don't put the in there. Okay. Also, you'll notice the D sounds like a T very often, doesn't it? Yeah, we're going to find out about that. Right. Complete the sentences with a verb in the past simple. Please press pause because I'm going to put up all the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they come. I didn't call my mother on her birthday. The film was sad. Did it make you cry? Oh, sorry, did you cry? My brother played video games all day yesterday. I didn't listen to the news this morning. Did Sarah dance with Martin at the party? No, she didn't. I don't even know her. And we booked our hotel rooms online. Now, here's a little secret for you. I didn't. It doesn't matter if it's a regular verb or an irregular verb. You know, we have those ones like cut. Yeah, I didn't cut my finger. Okay. The second verb always stays the same because didn't tells us it's not, and it's in the past. Same with questions. Did you cry? Did you cut your finger? Okay. Always the same form with questions and with negatives. You don't need to know anything about the verb. The second verb is the infinitive. It doesn't change. Okay. So it's only when we're saying yes, a positive sentence. My brother played video games all day yesterday. We booked our hotel rooms online. That's the only time you change the verb that tells you what's happening when it's positive. Okay? So really, although English grammar is a little bit strange sometimes, you can be quite lazy. You only need to, if you always say no and ask questions, you never need to learn anything. Isn't that great? No? Okay. I'd like you to do some more practice on the website. I'm going to go back to page 56. Okay. And in the next part, we're going to have a look at the page 57. Okay. Please go on the website, on the English File Online website, and practice this because it's, it does take a lot of practice. Okay. And it's very useful for your exam. See you in a moment.